back line, I'm gonna pull straight up through here and kind of up like this. I'll tell you when to drop there.
There's one.
Carp?
I'm not sure. I doubt it was a carp because I wasn't near the edge.
Nice bass.
Yep. Little one. Yeah. On the pause. I paused it and he hit it. Alright guys, little dink. Got him on a little rubber worm, curled tail. Reeling it in, paused it, felt him hit it, set the hook and got him. Gonna let him go. Why are we spinning so much?
I don't know, really.
There's one. Feels like a better one. Alright guys, hooked up again. Maybe not a better one. Might need to tighten my drag up a little. He's running with it.
Yeah, it sounds like
Yeah, a little bigger. Nothing big.
oh, that's a little bit.
Alright guys, back-to-back casts. Another nice one. Just catching small bass, but hey.
I'm casting.
Dude, put on a moving bait, because don't spin us so much. There's one. Ooh, that's something nice.
Nice bass.
Alright, I need to tighten my drag. Oh, he came off. No, he didn't. Yeah, he did. I shouldn't have tightened my drag. I should have kept it tight. That's why he got off. Yeah. There's one. Finally. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a nice bass. I saw it flash. Good bass.
Great bass.
Pretty good one, it looked like, anyway. Oh my gosh, that's got to be a decent one.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh, never mind. Oh yeah, decent.
It's not. Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Hold on, let me get. No, I'll get him. Let me lip him. Come on, get out of there. He's right here. Oh, that's a good one, dude.
It's a real good one.
Oh man. Can you get a picture for me of this boy? 'Cause that's a good one.
Oh, Jesus.
That's a nice chunk right there. That's over a pound.
That right there, that's only 2.
I don't know about 2, but that's a good one.
Right there, that's. I say that's 2. Good. Hold it up like this, not by the tail. Just like that. Good.
Alright guys, nice, biggest one of the day. Pretty fat fish. Gonna release him.
Same thing.
That was a good one.
That
That one could be the Instagram picture for this week.
yeah.
Now you gotta get a nice one. Do a collage. There's one.
That's a nice one.
Nothing huge. Yeah,
It's not.
small bass.
Oh,
Yeah, I need to tighten my drag again.
yeah, big time.
Well, I loosened it for that big boy because I didn't want him to run with it and snap it off. He choked that thing. It was down his throat. Choked it. Alright guys, a little dink. Oh, that's what it was. Little baby. There's one. Nice one. Hopefully.
Is that a bass?
Yeah. It's not a carp. It's not that big. But it's running like a freaking carp.
Yeah. It's a big bass.
Ooh, good one.
It's a big one.
Not a big one, but I think it's a little. This one deserves another picture. Can you get your phone out? I'm not sure which one's bigger, actually. This one's a pretty similar size.
Yeah, that one, it doesn't have as much fat to it.
I don't know. It's hard to say.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't have as much.
I think the other one was a little bigger, but
Yeah.
still.
Those
Take a
were
picture
the
for me. Alright. Alright guys, got this little chunk. I think it's my second biggest. Similar size to the other good one I caught. Gonna get the hook out, get a picture, and release him.
Oh.
Okay, I need to get this thing.
You can't get it out. There's pliers. You do have pliers. Well, can we take a picture with it first?
Hold on.
As long as it doesn't touch the
Now I want to get the bait out of his throat. Got it?
Alright,
Alright guys, another nice one. Gonna chuck him back in.
you can tell from that, Ryan, that is way